Here's an unboxing and review of my new holiday time 32-inch green fiber optics Christmas tree. Last year I discarded my old tree, as I had it for 6 years and was looking for something different this year, and saw this one. For this season, this is the size that I was looking for, something smaller and also had its own lights. The fiber optic lights on this tree are pretty cool, with a bunch of different patterns that it cycles through. Sometimes all one color like blue or green, and sometimes a mix of colors like purple, red, orange, yellow, and more. And when it's time to put it away, it can be put back in its box and stowed away without taking up too much space.